Hello everybody, today I, Tanya Alexander of Karuna University, will going to explain you another Java program. And the question for today's Java program is design a class for complex number in Java which can store real numbers and imaginary units with necessary getter and setter methods. Include necessary functions to add and subtract two complex numbers. Create another class named main which has main method to display the results. So in this we'll be going to have two classes. First is the complex number class and another will be the main class. So I'll show you the coding for this program. So here we have the two classes. First class is class complex, and then in this there will be double R and I, so that we can add or we can subtract two numbers in points also. So double R and I, and then public complex double RE, and double RE means real numbers and double IM means imaginary numbers. So R will going to indicate the RE and I will indicate the IM. So and then for public complex, so in this R equals to 0, I equals to 0, and then void display. So system.out.println, the number is this. After adding the two numbers, means after adding or subtracting, the numbers will going to display over here. So complex add, so this will be the adding function. So complex n equals to new complex. In this we are creating a new object, and then this new object will point out this, then n dot r equals to this dot r plus a dot r. This function we have used over here so that it will point out the current variable or current function. So for this, because we are adding and subtracting two methods, that is real and imaginary, and then return n. Then for the same is complex subtract, because in this we are going to subtract. So complex n equals to new complex. Here also we are creating new object, and then n dot r equals to this real r minus a dot r, because in this we are subtracting, and this also this will going to indicate the particular current object, and then the return n. Then class operation. Then public operation is nothing but the same class as main, and this is the main class of our program, and this is public static void main. Complex c1 equals to new complex. In this we are not going to ask user to put any input. We ourselves is giving the input, that is 10 and 15, which is constant, and then complex for c2 also 20 and 25, and then the result will be stored over here. So this will be system.out.println. This is the addition function, and this will be the subtraction function, and the output and the result will going to store in result equals to c1 dot subtract c2. So this is about the coding. It's a simple coding. Now I'll show you the run. So after running, the addition will be 30 and 40, because we have given 10 and 20. And then for subtraction, this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. For subtraction also the same is, the number is 10 and for imaginary is also 10. This is the real number and this is the imaginary number. So this is all the program. Thank you so much for watching.